Hey guys, in this video we will look at the best dish racks for small kitchen in the market. So, if you are looking to buy one, then this video is for you. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 1. Umbra Sinkin Mini Dish Rack. The first dish rack that we are talking about is the Umbra Sinkin Mini Dish Rack. This rack is made of metal wire and polypropylene that make this dish rack more attractive and durable. This rack is specially designed in consideration of the small kitchen to save space. Umbra Sinkin Mini Dish Rack is 14 by 5 by 11 inches in size, which can be easily placed anywhere in your kitchen, even on your sink also. This dish rack has non-slip rubber feet that help to avoid scratches in your kitchen. It is one of the best small dish drain boards. At number 2. Tower Dish Drainer by Yamazaki. Another dish rack that is very useful for a small kitchen is the Tower Dish Drainer by Yamazaki. This stylish and sleek rack can enhance your kitchen's functionality by organizing your plates, pots, pans, bowls, cups, and other cutlery items in one place. The thin and solid design of this dish rack alone with a self-draining board is one of the best criteria of this dish rack that make it different from other brands. This dish rack is made of steel, but it is very light in weight. You can place this dish rack anywhere in your kitchen. Also, it has an excellent drainage system. At number 3. Rigtig Dishy Dish Rack. The Rigtig Dishy Dish Rack is a 2-in-1 solution for both dish rack and wash bowl. This rack size is 17.72 by 4.72 by 10.24 inches and it is a thing of multiple use with a unique and classy design. It also contains a drain board and space for utensils. This is known as one of the best drying racks for small kitchens to free up space. At number 4. Polder Compact Stainless Steel Dish Rack. This dish rack is a stainless steel product solid in design and space-saving. This dish rack has a stainless drip tray that collects all the excessive water runoff. This rack dimension is 16.5 x 7.25 x 3.75 in inches. It can hold up to 14 plates in its cutlery holder and has an extra cutlery space for cutlery items. It can be placed beside the sink very efficiently. At number 5. Augie Dish Drainer 3 PCS Set. The name Augie is not related to the most famous cartoon character, Augie. This 3-PC set includes a drying rack, drip tray, and utensil compartment. This is a stainless steel dishwasher rack in which you can put your plates and other cutlery items very quickly. The thin and compactable design of this rack is beneficial for placing it in your kitchen. This is a 3-in-1 solution for your kitchen that helps to free up space and adds a classy look to your kitchen. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comments section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.